This video shows how to buy shares of Dycom Industries Inc. and explains the practical steps to acquire DY. Dycom is a U.S. specialty contractor for telecommunications and infrastructure that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DY. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a brokerage account. And here I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually be asked to verify your account with a government ID and to add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar to type the ticker DY. Then select the listing that shows Dycom Industries Inc. to ensure you have the correct NASDAQ stock. On the asset page, you will find a brief company description and a price chart showing recent trading. Double-check the company name and ticker DY to confirm it is the right security. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.